If you've been watching what's been happening recently with AI coding agents, then you can probably tell that things are moving pretty fast. I'll admit that I was a skeptic myself, as I wasn't sure how coding agents were going to change my workflow. What I've come to learn, however, is that coding agents aren't here to replace what I do. They're here to expand my capability. I think a lot of us are in two general camps right now. Some of us are already using Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode. You're already plugged into an AI coding agent, but it's getting a little difficult to manage all of the sessions. While others might be a bit curious about how to get started, but we haven't quite taken that leap yet because it still feels a little chaotic or a little uneasy. Well, GitKraken Desktop 12.0 was built for both. Let me show you what's new. The first thing that I want to show you is the agent's session view. If you're someone who is already running multiple coding agents, or you have multiple sessions of the same coding agent, you probably know the pain of having each session live in its own terminal, and there's no one place for you to track what all of your agents are doing. Well, with GitKraken Desktop 12.0, this view is that place. Every active session shows up as a card in the sidebar with status, whip changes, and even open or draft pull requests visible at a glance. Click any session in the left panel to jump into that session without losing your place. Now, before this release, there's a good chance that it was somewhat of a to-do to get your features and fixes started. Maybe it's a combination of running a git worktree command, checking out a branch, and kicking off some dependencies for your environment. Well, with GitKraken Desktop 12.0, that is all one interaction. Hit the New Agent Session button in the Agent Sessions panel, name the task, set the base branch and the coding agent of choice, and then hit Start. GitKraken Desktop will create a new worktree, run your setup commands, and launch the configured agent in a terminal automatically. And don't worry, your work from your main or other worktrees will remain untouched. We support Claude Code, Codex CLI, OpenCode, Copilot CLI, and Gemini CLI, and GitKraken Desktop will auto-detect whichever agents you already have installed. You can also pass custom CLI arguments if your setup needs it from Preferences Agents. When you're done with an agent session, just give it a right click to access the option to remove this worktree. The integrated terminal got two meaningful upgrades in 12.02. First, it now supports independent sessions per worktree in a single tab. Switch between your agent worktrees and each one has its own terminal right where you left off. Second, you can now drag and drop files and text directly into the terminal to give your agent immediate context without breaking your flow. Now, if you're someone who has no plans of using coding agents, don't worry, there's still utility here for you. When you head over to the Agents panel in GitKraken Desktop, you can still start a brand new session, type your feature branch, and just skip choosing from a coding agent. You can just select none and also choose your base branch here. This will still create the worktree for you, and there's still some utility in tracking the different worktrees that you have going on for your project. However, if you're someone who is on the other side of the spectrum and you're using tons and tons of coding agents, or you have a pretty established workflow, just know that you can still use your coding agent wherever you prefer, and GitKraken Desktop will still track the progress inside of the graph. You get a wonderful visualization of what the agents are doing, and you can still benefit from using this one pane of glass, this one window, to keep track of what all of your agents are doing. A few more things. Under the hood, the terminal engine was upgraded from xterm.js v4 to v6, which means better performance overall and a refreshed default color theme that's easier on the eyes. If you're using your own Anthropic API key, GitKraken AI now supports Claude Sonnet 4.6 and Claude Opus 4.6. And for those of you who choose Google for your bring your own key, Google Gemini 3.1 Pro in preview is now supported via GitKraken AI as well. And there's a whole bunch of other improvements and bug fixes that made it to this release that I didn't get to cover here, So do check out our release notes for the complete picture. All right, so whether you've been running AI coding agents for months or whether you're just getting started, GitKraken Desktop 12.0 gives you one place where you can organize that work and feel confident about your agent's contributions. Now, if you are looking for an in-depth guide on how to get your coding agents under control, check out our brand new and free course called Get Control for AI Coding Workflows. In this course, I walk you through where coding agents get into trouble and how to better organize their work so that you remain in control. And finally, if you have ideas for how to improve the agent workflow inside of GitKraken Desktop, let us know in the comments below. For now, from all of us at GitKraken, stay legendary.